To become a top 1% man, you have to start dressing better. And to do that, it's very simple. You just have to learn the 7 rules that every man should know about dressing and use that as your guide. And by doing that, you'll never dress poorly again. Let's start with rule number 1. Know your size and fit. The first fundamental rule is to know your size and seek a proper fit in your clothing. Avoid garments that are too tight or too loose that don't flatter you. Look for cuts that highlight your attributes and make you feel comfortable and confident. Learn to take your measurements correctly. Try different brands and styles to find your perfect fit. Rule 2. Invest in quality basics. Quality is key in men's fashion. Invest in high-quality basics that you can easily mix and match, like a good white shirt, well-fitted jeans, and a pair of classic shoes. These pieces will form the foundation of your wardrobe and last you for years. Look for durable materials like cotton, wool, or leather. Don't be afraid to spend a bit more on quality basic pieces. Rule 3. Learn to combine colors. Mastering the art of color combination is essential for good style. Learn which shades work well together and how to use neutral colors to balance a bolder outfit. The key is to create harmony in your style with the right color palette. Research color theory and basic combinations. Experiment with different combinations to find your unique style. Rule 4. Pay attention to details. Details make a difference in men's style. Don't underestimate the power of accessories like belts, watches, or sunglasses. Also, pay attention to your footwear. Well-kept shoes can instantly elevate your style. Opt for quality accessories that complement your personal style. Keep your shoes clean and in good condition for a polished look. Rule 5. Adaptability according to the occasion. Adapt your style according to the occasion. Learn to dress appropriately for work, casual events, or formal gatherings. Knowing how to dress for the situation will make you stand out and leave a good impression wherever you go. Consider the dress code of the event or place you're attending. Don't be afraid to add a personal touch to your outfit according to the occasion. Rule 6. Maintain your clothing and footwear. Maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your garments and footwear. Wash them according to instructions and make repairs when necessary. A polished appearance always makes a good impression and shows attention to detail. Learn to make minor repairs yourself, like sewing on a button or polishing your shoes. Store your clothing properly to keep it in good condition. Rule 7. Develop your own personal style. Lastly, don't be afraid to develop your own personal style. Experiment with different trends and pieces to discover what makes you feel authentic and unique. Fashion is a form of expression, so have fun with it and let your style speak for you. Find inspiration from people with similar styles to yours. Be creative and don't limit yourself to conventional fashion rules. These are the 7 fundamental fashion rules that every man should follow to improve his style and presence. Remember, fashion is about confidence, authenticity, and attention to detail. Which of these rules do you find most important? That's all for today, guys. I'll leave you with 2 videos here if you want to watch them, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this.